Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Rode VideoMicro. As always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Just so you know, today's video was recorded using the Rode VideoMicro without any settings adjusted and plugged in directly to my laptop. So let me know what you guys think of the audio quality in the comments below. So the Rode VideoMicro is a lightweight microphone which you can connect to your camera and directly to your laptop and PC. It weighs roughly around 42 grams and is 80mm long, which is super small. The device has a metal all-round casing and comes with a windshield to minimize background noises. Finally, the VideoMicro requires no battery to be powered, meaning that you can either use your camera or connected workstation to power your device. In regards to the packaging, on front you have the Rode VideoMicro as well as an image of the device. On the side you get a list of features including 2 years warranty, no battery required, compact size and suspension mount. On the back you get information on the Rode VideoMicro and image of the device again. Inside the box you get the Rode VideoMicro as well as one windshield, one AUX connection cable, one suspension mount, and instructions on how to set up. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Connect the windshield to your Rode VideoMicro, and then connect the microphone to the suspension mount. Connect the AUX cable, and you should be good to go from here. Now for some super quick testing. This is me speaking directly into the mic. This is me speaking 1 feet away. This is me speaking 3 feet away. Overall, if I'm being completely honest guys, I'm not sure if it's because I haven't edited my audio settings or if I'm using the mic incorrectly, but I don't feel like the VideoMicro has made a huge difference in comparison to my Toner TC77. I feel like my previous mic was a lot clearer, even without editing the audio. Maybe I've received a faulty batch, or maybe it's due to no audio settings being applied. But either way, if you've got the Rode VideoMicro and your audio sounds a million times better than mine's, then please let me know what you did to get the best audio quality in the comments below. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Rode VideoMicro from Amazon for around £60, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Is the Rode VideoMicro a device that you would purchase, or are there better alternatives available? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.